Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut app. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I already imported the video that I want to reverse to CapCut. I'll just click onto the play button here. As you can see, it's just a short video I filmed while I was walking down the terminal to my airplane. So in order to reverse this video, the first thing that I want to do is to go and click onto the video here, and then down here scroll all the way to the right and keep going until you spot this section that says reverse. And once you find the reverse icon, go ahead and tap on it and your video should be automatically reversed. Now remember, the reverse icon is a bit far to the right. Just select the video and then the reverse icon and your video should be reversed. So that's it, that's how to reverse a video in CapCut app. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.